Hey guys, it's Chris from How to Liveable. We are going to walk through how to do a password reset if you have forgotten your Grammarly login. Before we get started, if you're liking these videos, please consider hitting like and subscribe and get the notifications for more because we're doing a lot more on Grammarly in the coming weeks. So, how do you reset your account if you've forgotten your account login? Grammarly recommends that you go to grammarly.com/reset password and simply type in any of the email addresses that you remember that you may have signed in with, and they should send you password reset instructions to one of those emails. If they're not coming through, simply search through your email to see if you can find emails from Grammarly, or go and search all mail, select all mail, and sort that way in Gmail or any other mail accounts. So that is basically it. Hopefully that's helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.